Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I take my makeup off at the end of the day. It's very important to get every last bit of makeup off your face before you go to bed if you want to prevent acne breakouts, clogged pores, blackheads, whiteheads, and all the other nasty stuff. So generally, the process for makeup removal involves using an oil to first break down the makeup, then a cleanser to wash off the oil and the makeup, followed by toner and moisturizer. However, in spite of following this religiously, I always ended up with breakouts if I used foundation. Let me demonstrate what I was doing wrong. Here first I'm going to use a 24-hour long wear foundation and I'm going to try these steps on it. First, we're going to break down the makeup with some extra virgin olive oil. This I saw in a video by Michelle Phan long time ago. Olive oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, no matter what oil you use, they will do an excellent job in breaking down the makeup, which is the first step. As you can see, a lot of it is coming off on the cotton round. Now I'm going to use one of my favorite face wash from Body Shop to wash off the oil and makeup mixture. I used to find it really hard to remove the oil and makeup from my face, so I generally do this step a couple of times, even using electric or manual brushes. I usually follow this with a toner and moisturizer and I am done. So now I'm going to show you why it wasn't working. So here I have a Garnier Micellar water. Micellar water is very effective in removing even the toughest waterproof makeup. So I'm going to take it on a cotton round and see if I got all the makeup off. As you can see, there's still quite a lot of foundation and oil left, which was causing all the breakouts. It was time to update my routine. I spoke to a couple of beauty associates in Sephora and Ulta Beauty and also did my own research online and finally realized that I was using the right steps but the wrong products. So instead of using an oil as a first step, try a makeup cleansing balm or a makeup cleansing oil. These products are specifically formulated to break down the makeup, and unlike oil, these wash off when you add water. Out of all the cleansing balms and oils that I tried, this is my favorite one. This one is by Physicians Formula and you can get it at Target for just $7.79. It's cost effective, paraben free, doesn't clog your pores. It comes with a little lid and a spatula to scoop out the product. It's very similar to the high-end ones like Pharmacy or Clinique. It does a really great job and I absolutely love it. This balm turns into an oil when you start massaging it into your face. It's also safe to use over your eyes to remove those tough waterproof mascara and eyeliner. I then wash my face with some warm water and all the oil and makeup is gone. For step 2, I prefer using a micellar water or a makeup removing cleanser. However, I recently discovered this one. It's a micellar foaming gel cleanser. So it combines micellar water as well as the goodness of a cleanser. I then follow it with a toner and a moisturizer. This particular toner is an exfoliating one, so I tend to use it just once or twice a week. I hope this video is useful for you. Do let me know in the comments below how you take your makeup off. Thank you so much for watching.